Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we will be taking a look at the Brow Daddy Magic Corrector set. Developed in collaboration with Permablend, this set has been designed for artists to create brow miracles. So let's get into it. The correcting and modifying shades from Brow Daddy are the perfect addition to your collection to create neutral, natural results and to correct any unwanted tones in the brows. Created with the Permablend Luxe formulation, the Brow Daddy correctors are 100% REACH compliant and can be used by artists all over the world. This set comes with 3 versatile shades: Aurora, Nova and Solaire. These enchanting colours will allow you to restore old faded brows to their former glamour and banish unwanted tones that can develop over time. Each set also comes with a free colour chart to help you with colour theory, modifying and correcting. These colours also come in the signature, luxurious Brow Daddy packaging, which the products are famous for. Aurora is a green shade that can be used to cool down and modify very warm pigments, or to correct any red or pink tones that may have developed in the brows. Nova is a deep orange colour with an extremely high pigment load. This shade is the perfect warm modifier, or it can be used to correct blue or green toned brows. Solaire is an opaque warm yellow shade. It can be used as a modifier for very pale clients with red undertones, or as a corrector for any purple in the brows. Artists compare these amazing correctors with the Brow Daddy Gold Collection pigments from the Permablend Classic range, or with the REACH compliant Permablend Luxe pigments, depending on their needs. If you want to try the Brow Daddy Magic Corrector set, you can find a link in the description to order from Killer Beauty today. If you've already tried this pigment set, let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe, turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.